Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. My name is Jonathan Wilkerson and I am on a mission to offset the high price of groceries across America's dinner table by showing you some delicious edibles that are in your local woodsy area right at your fingertips. So you too can offset the high price of groceries at your dinner table. I am in a conifer rich or a pine woods type woodsy area because it facilitates certain types of mushrooms. And this mushroom that I'm showing you now is the mushroom that I came here for. I harvested some yesterday in a different area, and I've never been to this area before, but surprise, surprise, they are here in droves. And that has put such a smile on my face. This particular mushroom is known as the Weeping Bolete or Suillus Granulatus or Suillus weeveri. And let me just tell you, from harvesting it yesterday, this mushroom is delicious. I just sauteed it in some butter and it was wonderful. I'm gonna pick one here. As you can see, it's got the yellow sponge underneath. And because it has a slimy cap, everything sticks to it. Pine needles, you name it. This mushroom is a good mushroom. There's only one thing that you have to do when you locate this mushroom in a pine area, and that is you have to strip off this upper layer of skin called the cap cuticle, because it has been known to cause gastrointestinal upset, and there's no need in getting some diarrhea or a stomach ache or something like that. No one is half the battle. Take that skin off and process your mushrooms for cooking. I hope I can come back and show you guys a cook video of this particular species. Thanks for watching.